In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add section to subtask in Asana. If you've ever wished you could organize subtasks into clear groups, this walkthrough will show you a simple, reliable way to do it using the tools Asana already provides. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Asana and press Enter. Click the official Asana site to open the app. Make sure you're signed in and working in the right workspace so you see your projects and tasks. Once you're in, open the project where you want to organize subtasks. You'll be looking at your task list or board. Find the task that contains the subtasks you want to reorganize. Then click the subtask icon next to that task to open the subtask panel. This reveals all the subtasks underneath your main task in a side pane. Now select the specific subtask where you want to add a section. Here's the key idea. Asana doesn't offer native section headers directly inside a subtask, so we'll create a small nested subtask that acts like a visual section divider. It's a simple workaround that keeps everything tidy and easy to scan. With that subtask open, click Add Subtask. You'll see a new subtask line appear inside the selected subtask. Type your section name, something descriptive that signals it's a header. For example, you might type section to subtask. To make it stand out, consider using all caps, a short emoji, or a simple prefix like dashes. Keep it short and clear, so it reads like a label. When you're happy with the name, press Enter on your keyboard to save it. That's it. The new nested subtask is now in place and acts as your section inside the subtask. You can drag other nested subtasks underneath it to group related work, and you can rename this header at any time if your structure changes. A few quick tips to make this work even better. Drag and drop subtasks to reorder them under your new header. Keep section titles consistent so your team recognizes them, and if you decide you don't need a section anymore, just delete or repurpose that header subtask without affecting the others. Remember, this approach mirrors a real section visually and functionally at the subtask level, even though it's technically just another subtask used as a label. Repeat these steps anywhere you need more structure. With this method, your subtasks stay organized, clear, and easy to manage.